There's a big update from the US about visas. And honestly, this is going to affect a lot of people this time. The US Department of State has just announced a major change to its visa interview waiver policy. And these changes kick in from the September 2nd this year. So here's the big thing. Almost everyone will now need to attend in-person interview. Earlier, kids under 14 and seniors over 79 didn't need to do so, but now they will have to attend the interview. This rule covers all non-immigrant visas, that's tourist and business visas, which is B1 and B2, student visas, F and M, and work visas like H1B visa, and also J visas. The only people who are kind of safe from this rule are those who are applying for the diplomatic or official visas, which is A or G categories, or NATO visas, and etc. There are also few exemptions to this new rule. If you're applying for a diplomatic type, like A1 and G1 NATO, you didn't need to enter into this interview. Or if you're renewing your B1 or B2 visa within 12 months of expiry, and you were 18 or older when you first got your visa, you might get an interview waiver. But even for that, there are extra conditions. Number one being that you must apply in your home country or the country where you live. You should never have been refused a visa before. You must not have had any issues, including the eligibility. And there's a kicker. Even if you qualify for a waiver, the consular officer can still call you for an interview if they want to. So basically, even if you think you're safe, you might still have to show up for the interview for a visa. The US Citizenship and Immigration Service, USCIS, is saying that everyone should check the local embassy or consulate website for the exact rules and updates. This new policy replaces the interview waiver update they made earlier this year, back in February. Now here's another thing. Earlier this month, the US also dropped a bombshell that a $250 visa integrity fee will be charged. This starts in 2026. Think of it like a security deposit of your visa. It's linked to inflation and you might get it back, but only if you follow all the rules according to the US government. All of this part of the Trump's huge immigration overhaul called the Big Beautiful Bill Act, which was signed on July 4th. But what all this means actually, for the people who are waiting for their citizenship or visas in the US, might have to face longer waiting time, more processing delays, and yes, a lot more stress for people applying for visas like H1B visa, student visa, or even tourist visa. The changes could tighten the scrutiny according to the US, but for the people who were used to smooth visa renewals or waivers, this is going to feel like a big setback. So if you or someone you know is planning to apply for a US visa, get ready for interview, fees, and longer lines.